In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zoho CRM Blueprints beginner tutorial. We'll walk through creating a simple, automated workflow in Zoho CRM so your deals move consistently from one stage to the next, with built-in timing and notifications. A blueprint helps you standardize processes, reduce manual follow-ups, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Start in Zoho CRM on the home page and click the Setup Gear icon. In the Settings area, go to Process Management and choose Blueprint. Click Create Blueprint to begin. Give your blueprint a clear, descriptive name that reflects the process you're mapping. Next, choose the module you want to control. I'll use Deals as the example. Select the standard blueprint type so we can build a guided path across stages. For the controlling field, pick Stage, since we're managing deal stages. You'll see an option to define criteria to determine which records this blueprint applies to. That's useful when you want to run it only for certain deals. But we'll skip criteria for now and click Next. On the canvas, you'll see available stage values. Select Qualification and drag it onto the center of the canvas. Then select Needs Analysis and drag that next to it. To define how a record can move between these stages, draw a connecting line from Qualification to Needs Analysis. Click the plus icon on that line to configure the transition. Enter a clear transition name so users understand what this action does. Choose Automatic Transition so the system moves the deal forward without manual input once conditions are met, then click Save. Set the timing for this automatic move. Choose Hours and enter 1 to trigger the transition after 1 hour. Now let's add a notification so the right people are informed. Select Email Notification and click the plus icon to configure it. Give the email notification a recognizable name, then choose the recipients. Add the related contact's email, and include the record creator as well, so both parties are covered. Click Add where prompted, and then Save. Next, select an email template to standardize the message. Pick a suitable template, for example a public template like Big Deal Alert, and click Done. Confirm your configuration by clicking Done again. When you're satisfied with the canvas and settings, click Publish to activate the blueprint. That's it. You've built a straightforward blueprint that moves a deal from qualification to needs analysis automatically after 1 hour and notifies the right people via email. As a tip, start simple, test with a few sample records, and refine your naming, timing, and notifications to fit your team's workflow. When you're ready, expand the flow with more stages, validation, and actions to match your full sales process. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.